Hello, Jay the Shark here for your Phuket weekly weather update. I have to admit, I'm feeling a little bit dodged today. I think I caught whatever Sean had last week after we kissed.
Stop it. Get some help.
I think I might have caught it. Anyway, you want to know what the weather's doing this week. I can't tell you that because I have to go and ask Sean. But before that, look at the weather now. It's a little bit hazy, but it's still beautiful. It's not too hot either. It's quite nice. Be a nice day to go out on a boat. Luckily, we have some to go out. But before I go out, let's go and ask Sean what the weather's going to do this week, because he's the smart one with all the buttons on his computer to press and look at all the radars and the forecasts and stuff. Right, should we get on with it? Okay. Sean, what's the weather doing this week? G'day, Sean here with your weekly weather update for the first week of February. Mate, yeah, as you can see, this is Phuket here. We're using Windy app. Why do we use Windy? Because wind dictates the weather here in Phuket. So we look at the wind to see what the weather's doing. Mate, it's drone, isn't it, the Australian accent? Anyway, Sean's not here, so I'm kind of doing Sean, so to speak. Sean made me sick, and then he decided to have a meeting, so I had to come home quickly and do the weather update. Anyway, here's the weather update. Now, like I said, this is windy, and this is what we use to check out the wind. And as you can see today, I'm recording this on Sunday, the 2nd of February. Happy February, everybody! The month of love. That's right, love. Anyway, look at the day. The day looks beautiful. Now remember that blue is good, purple is awesome, green it's a little bit windier, yellow's bad, so it means it'll be really wavy and choppy and might bring in some rain. But as you can see, on Sunday, it looks really good. But let's go across to Monday. Ooh, Monday a little bit more green coming in, but not too bad. Lots of purple here, which is nice. This is crabby side, so the wind's coming from this way. So that's not bad. It might be a bit bumpy in the morning, Monday morning down to Phi Phi, but Monday afternoon it should clear up a little bit. Maybe not. We're on, I can't really see with the glasses on, to be fair. Anyway, Tuesday, it's a bit more windy on Tuesday. Probably not the best day to go down to Phi Phi. So if you are going on Tuesday, maybe you see you can go Wednesday. Let's have a look at Wednesday. Oh no, don't go Wednesday. Why is it so windy at the moment? Look at that. Wednesday looks pretty blowy. If you're going to go kite surfing, that's the day to go kite surfing. Is on the Wednesday. Let's look at Thursday. Thursday, that's it. That's high season weather we all need. Look at it, it's beautiful. Loads of purple right here. Once again, it's Phuket, so it's Phang Nga Bay is up here, and then Phi Phi's down here. Purple, that's good. That's really nice. So what's that? What's that? Thursday? Thursday's looking amazing. Friday, it's looking all right. Not too bad. A little bit windy, but that's the wrong side of us. We don't care about that side. No. It's this area that we really care about. That's all right, that. And then let's look at Saturday. Still a bit windy that side, but lovely purple here. So it looks like it's going to be nice and calm within the Phi Phi and the Phang Nga Bay area, which is good for us because that's where our tours go, generally. And then next Sunday, oh my God. Next Sunday looks like it's going to be a blustery day. So go kite flying next Sunday. But that's a whole week away and it could change. Let's have a quickie look at the old AccuWeather. So this is your standard weather forecast that you would generally check. It gives you the temperature, if it's going to be sunny, a little bit of cloud here, but look, 32 degrees all the way through. Friday says it'll be 34, it's a hot one Friday. What's the chances of, so here we go, you got, is that 2%? I can't see, let me take the glasses down. Yeah, 2% chance of rain on Monday. Now that doesn't mean it's going to rain the whole of Phuket. 2% means somewhere on Phuket there is a 2% chance that it might rain on that day. So not much. The glasses, 25% on Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. That was the windy day on Thursday, wasn't it? That looks like it's going to rain. So Thursday looks a tough day. Anyway, there you go. That's good weather. And if you want to see what the weather's doing right now, Sean always uses this one. I never know why, because this is a live radar, which means nothing for those people that are watching this. If you're not watching this right this minute live, which none of you are, because this isn't a live video, then this is pointless. Absolutely pointless. But Sean has this on all day long in his office, so he can see what the weather's doing at that moment. And at that moment, there's a little bit of green, which I believe is rain. It's not wind, because this is green is rain on this one. Gets a bit confusing. Anyway, it's a bit greeny up there, up north. We're not going up north, though, today, which is nice. So anyway, there you go. That's your little weather forecast for this week. First week of February. Oh, what's that? Let's go back again, quickly recap. Let's find a nice one. There you go, that's tomorrow. Looks nice. I might go out tomorrow if I can. I've not been out on the boat for a long time. I've been stuck in the office. Stuck working. Sure makes me work hard. Too many videos. Right, but anyway, that's your weather. If you've got any questions about the weather, please don't ask, because we see lots of people asking, what's the weather going to do on the last week of April, because I'm coming on holiday the last week of April. We don't know the last week of April. It's generally nice. It's still high season. Maybe a little bit wet because it is kind of the change of seasons. Who cares? Who knows? Just care about right now. This week moving forward, there you go. That's the weather doing. Hopefully Sean will be back next week and I'll feel a bit better, because right now I feel rubbish. There you go. Anyway, happy February, everyone. If you got any questions or comments, please put them below. Got it? Good. Thanks for watching. Bye.